Tramji in Bhagavad Purana, Vyasadeva explains 1.4.25. Vyasadeva explains why he compiled Mahabharata, and inside the Mahabharata there's Bhagavad Gita, and this is one of the main itihasas. And he explained that he saw that Kali Yuga was approaching. Kali Yuga is this age of quarrel and hypocrisy, when the spiritual understanding the spiritual and metaphysical topics is not very easy for people in general. What to speak about doing the practice. And that's how, out of compassion, he compiled this Mahabharata for three groups of people, which is the Sudras, women, and then Dvija Bandhus. Sudras are those who are overly attached to, example, sense enjoyment, those who drink alcohol or smoke weed or take some other substances, eat meat, or they are only attached to some kind of sexual perversions and deviations. And these touches most of the people, this Sudra category. And second category is the woman, because of this bhava faculty of the mind is very closely connected to the upper intellect. It distorts the emotional attachment, distort the intellect in that way that it's woman is very difficult to even see how it distorts. And that's why spiritual topics and spiritual practice on the long term is difficult for them. And the third group is the Dvija Bandhus, those who, because of their past actions and because of their intellectual attachment, they cannot properly connect to the spiritual practice, and then they end up lingering around the spiritual traditions and picking and choosing things and here and there, which is basically all pseudo-spirituality and pseudo-yoga. It's like that. And these Dvija Bandhus, they cannot understand the spiritual topics. So these kind of people, hearing the Bhagavad Gita and Mahabharata from the right source can be beneficial, can help them to rise above these tendencies and gradually take the proper spiritual path. Tramji.